If you're looking to turn your discovery call notes into a proposal fast, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to take those notes and quickly transform them into a polished proposal that will wow your client and save you time. Make sure to stick around because I'll be sharing a tool that can speed up this process even further. First, when you're reviewing your discovery call notes, immediately highlight the client's main pain points. What problem are they facing and what's the ultimate goal they want to achieve? This is the core of your proposal. If you don't nail this down, your proposal won't hit the mark. Identify any key objectives they mentioned, whether it's improving revenue, efficiency, or something else entirely. This helps you create a proposal that's laser focused on their needs. Next, look for any key details that will affect the solution. Did they mention any budget constraints? Timeline? What resources do they have or need? These are critical for creating a proposal that feels realistic and tailored to their situation. It's all about making sure your proposal is grounded in reality, not just a great idea that won't work for them. Once you've identified the core issues and constraints, it's time to lay out your solution. Here's where you get specific. How are you going to help them solve their problem? Be concise but clear. You don't need to write a novel. Just focus on the key deliverables and how they'll address the client's pain points. Break down the process or steps involved in solving their problem, and make sure you're speaking to the value your solution provides. Now, turn your attention to the project timeline and pricing. For this part, remember, your client wants clarity. Don't leave them guessing. Set expectations clearly with timelines for each phase of the project and make sure to include the costs upfront, even if it's just an estimate. Transparency here builds trust. To make the process even faster and more streamlined, I'll show you the software we're using to create proposals in record time. This software can help you organize your notes, automate parts of your proposal creation, and deliver professional-looking proposals that are easy to adjust. If you want to follow along, you can get an exclusive free trial of this software just for viewers of my channel. You'll find the link in the description below. Here's the key takeaway. Turning your discovery call notes into a proposal fast comes down to understanding the client's pain points, offering a clear solution, setting realistic timelines and pricing, and using the right tools to streamline the process. Keep it simple and focus on the client's needs, and you'll have proposals ready to send in no time. So, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description, and go ahead and start applying these tips the next time you need to create a proposal fast.